this is my first time that I receive all your gifts to me. Thank you.
Yeah, may mga food. At syempre, meron din. May mga food tayo. Bigay ko mamaya natin malalaman. Tatay, okay? Sama na. Yeah. Meron pa tatay. Ayan. Dito mo yun. At syempre, meron din kayo. Ayan, syempre meron pa yan. Ayan, tatay, meron pa. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. Meron pa. Ayan, sana, meron pa tayo. Ako na pa ba? Ayan, at syempre.
Kalay, kalay. Pero dami kumaw. Nakatuma na tayo. Kurang kaya tulay.
Siyempre, hindi lang yan. Meron din kayo balon. Ayan, tatay. Ayan, tatay.
Ayaw din sa ruday.
Kaya lang? Awakan. Awakan, di na kaya. Okay, diretso ka dito. Tatay, dito kayo.
Take away the flowers that you gave me.
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sa'yo ang pulutan, sa'yo ang inuman. Happy birthday.
At syempre, tay, bago po kayo mag-blow ng candle, dapat po muna kayo mag-wish. So, wish.
Wish!
Ano kayo, tay?
Wish kayo.
Wish kayo, tay!
Amo ipagpagay basta wish ka lang tayo, tagwan. Panunod mo. Wish to get married soon na mo. Manya dyan wala kang panunod pati na siya ngawin sa lintan. Uli ipatan ti love of the family.
Okay lang ka? Okay, blow!
Blow.
Ayan! At syempre, meron pong letter ng inyong mahal sa buhay. Maaari po bang basahin ni? Sino pang gusto magbasa nito?
Dear Abang, on your birthday, I ask God to bless you, to guide you, to keep you safe, to give you peace, to give you joy and love all time. Take care as the dawn breaks into a beautiful sunrise. May God shower your blessings of God and lead always to the right path. Happy birthday. From Romeo, Juliet and kids. Rolly and Griselda kids. Wilson, Grace and Lilian Rose. Maya, Grace and kids and Susan.
Yay! At syempre, hindi lang po yan ang bibigay na surprise sa inyo ng inyong mga anak. Tay, tayo po tayo.
May pira yan! May pira!
Okay, tatay, in count of 3, pakihila po ito ha. 1, 2, 3, up!
Puro saksaka sa tayo. Pwede mo sa sakta tayo. Pwede mo sa sakta tayo. Pegay, ribu-ribu mo tayo na naman ay. Kutwa ta. Ay, magkutwa kami ah. Wow, may patray. Baka na may taluro na. Wow, baka na taluro na. Kutwa ta. Wow, wow. Oh, wow.
Ayan. At syempre, meron po bang gusto may message para kay tatay?
Manong, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And there is always love in the family. Don't forget that your kids love you very much.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good health and long life, Manong.
Thank you.
Be strong and don't forget the bad thing, only the happy thing you have in your heart. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Yay! At syempre, sino pa pa may gusto mag-message?
Happy birthday, Uncle. We love you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ayan! Sino pa?
Happy birthday, Amang. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang birthday mo hanggang kailan.
Okay, si Papay! At Papay? At Papay, mag-message ka ni Papay?
Nandiyan si Kagawan.
At Kagawan!
Happy birthday, Insan! Sana'y manatang birthday para sa'yo.
Okay, next! Message
Ang
ito.
wish ko lang kay Uncle, sana palaging malakas ang katawan at saka marami pang taon
Ang birthday.
ang darating na birthday niya. Lagi sana palaging malakas pa ang katawan para si Uncle ay magtagal pa ng matagal na panahon pa. Yun lang ang wish ko, Uncle.
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle, te kuambata laing mo, nagatoy ka kanakam. Salamat, angkan.
Ayan. Sino pa? Yung message. Okay. Tatay, ano po ang inyong masasabi sa mga nagbigay po kila Maya, Grace, si John, si Shikina, si Leia, at si Ma'am Susan. All the way from London.
Thank you, my family. I love you till my end of my life. This is the last stage of my life. This is my first time that I receive all your gifts to me. Thank you, and I will have to say a prayer to my wife. Lord, please hear my prayer. Teach me, Lord, how to care. She hurt me more than I can bear. Lord, I can't no longer take. I can't take the pain of this pain. God, please hear my prayer. How to forgive her? She was the way, God. I pray today. If you can change her, if you can change her, then bring her back to me. Oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Teach me, Lord, how to care. She hurt me more than I can bear. Lord, I can no longer take. I can take the pain of this pain. God, please hear my prayer. How to forgive her? She was the way. God, I pray today. If you can change her, if you can
Tay,
change
baka kayo ka na, Tay. Maulaw.
then bring her back to me. Thank you.
Ayan! Habang palakpak yan! Oh! Ang galing ni tatay!
Baka kayo.
Ayan! So, tay! Okay na kayo?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Magpapakilala na po ako, tatay, ha? Okay? In behalf of Edmund Cheese Flower Shop and Fortinax, thank you, Ma'am Maya, sa pagpili po sa amin. At sa inyong mga pamilya, thank you po dyan sa London. At syempre, naipahatid niyo po ang sorpresa na siya pahatid sa inyong amang pamilya. Ayan. Masaya! Masaya, di ba, tay? Masaya. Ngayon lang daw niya naranasan yung ganitong surprise, di ba? Ayan, thank you po. Ingat po kayo dyan. Bye!
Happy birthday, Amang.
Happy birthday.
Happy 81st birthday, Amang. May you take care, you live long, and you have good health, and you spend it well.
We love you lots, Amang.
We love you, Amang. Take care.
Amang, feliz cumpleaños. Ya tienes 81. Son muchos ya. Espero que cumplas muchos más y te lo pases muy bien. Aquí tu nieto Joshua.
Hello, Amang. I hope you're having a really good 81st birthday. God bless and take care.
Birthday,
Again.
Happy birthday,
Amang.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
Amang. Si Mang.
I realize the way your eyes deceive me when tender words that I mistook for love. So take away the flowers that you gave me and send the kind that you remind me of.
so full.